Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your debit card PIN on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. From the drop-down menu, click on Cards. You will be directed to Your Cards page, where all the credit cards and debit cards linked to your account are displayed. Locate your debit card and click the arrow button next to it. You will be taken to Debit Card Summary page. On this page, click the Set PIN link. A window will pop up on your screen. Confirm that your registered mobile number is correct. Enter your new PIN in the designated field. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Continue. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP. Click Continue. Now verify your debit card details. Select the expiry date as shown on your debit card. Enter the CVV. Click Continue. That's it, you have successfully set your new debit card PIN. This is how you can change your debit card PIN on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.